Hello everyone! For those of you who haven't seen my videos before, welcome to Coding Tunes. You're going to learn so much from this course. For those who are back with more fun lessons, welcome back. If you are satisfied with my videos and it is helping you out, please do not forget to subscribe to my page and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this title, my scrollable box. Because I have, wait, okay, here it is, my scrollable box, H1. Now what I want to do is to add in the lorem ipsum placeholder into the div. So I went to loremipsum.io, copy this, and paste it. Let's give this a name. Scrollable. Okay, and now I also like to add a padding. There we go. Now I don't want this on one line, so just to make life easier, I'll just break this down. There we go. Now I like to add more paragraphs in the div. In order for me to show you the scroll in the div. Okay, let's try BR for break. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a height to this box. I'm going to check its size, 1224 pixels wide by 228 pixels height. So I'm going to change this to 100 pixels. And then we're going to put overflow y-axis, scroll. If you don't put overflow y scroll, then it's just going to overflow out of the box. It's still in a div, but the div box is still at 100 pixels. You can still see the text still. You could also put a width that's smaller. Let's go with 75%. So with the width, it automatically fits within the box. Space. Matter of fact, let's make a second scrollable box. Color. break between those boxes. And copy this. Padding. In fact, I'm going to get rid of these. So here I'm showing you in this second div box is how to make a scroll horizontally. So far I have background color with padding. Okay. And for this one, I'll put white space, no wrap. And then I'll put overflow X scroll. See, if you just put the width only, then the width will automatically fit into this box of 75%. So if you wanted to scroll, you put white space no wrap so that it bleeds out of the box. And then just like the height, you put overflow X this time, scroll, X axis. So what I would also like to show you is the difference between width, maximum width, and minimum width. Here I have these two boxes inside this main div. Width, meaning it's strictly 800 pixels. So if I add maximum width, it shrinks down to 800 pixels or less for responsive behavior. It's not responsive as it goes below 800 pixels. Okay, I'll add that to the children of Maine. "800 pixels, maximum width 600. 800, and this will shrink since it has a maximum width of 600 pixels, which means 600 pixels or less, and the pink box strictly has a width of 800 pixels. And the blue box, has a maximum width of 1000 pixels, meaning 1000 pixels or more. There's also min width. I'll leave it at that. Let's put a min width here. Now min width means the box could be 600 pixels or more. So if I refresh this is more than 600 pixels. If I shrink it down, it shrinks and shrinks and shrinks. And then when it reaches 600 pixels, it stops there. You see how it bleeds? It stops right there. I could also put a minimum width on the parent element as well. Now it stops at 800 pixels. This is strictly 800 pixels, so it still bleeds out no matter the size of the parent element. So there is also min height and max height. It works the same exact way as minimum width and maximum width. It's just a different axes. It's on the y-axis this time, meaning if you have a div that's a minimum height of 600 pixels, it means it could be 600 pixels or more. Same thing with maximum height, which could be 600 pixels or less. And that is all I have to offer for you for the difference between maximum width, minimum width, and width, and maximum and minimum height and height as well. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to type it up in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.